All talks and initiatives toward a fare hike for public transport jeepneys have been put on hold pending the distribution or payout of the increased fuel subsidy for operators and owners of public transport jeepneys and utility express vans next Saturday. After which the 2,000 peso financial assistance payout from the Uplift program will commence, as we hear more from our J.M. Thompson.
The proposed 1 to 2 peso fare hike for public utility vehicles remains suspended to prevent an added burden on commuters amid fluctuating oil prices and rising costs of goods.
At hindi naman pong ibig sabihin na hindi po ibig sabihin na disapprove. Suspended lang sapagkat ang DOTR, ang pamahalang nasyonal, kailangan magbigay at maghanap ng pamamaraan para makatulong sa ating transport group.
This was announced by Transportation Secretary Giovanni Lopez during a joint press conference this Thursday together with the LTFRB and various transport groups in the country. However, they assured that the transport sector will not be left behind and will receive sufficient assistance. As an initial relief measure, the fuel discount will increase to 12 pesos per liter from the previous 10 pesos starting August 15, where the government allocated a 400 million peso fund to help drivers save approximately 1,800 pesos per week.
Lahat po yan ay tinutugunan po ng ating pamahalaan at sa lahat po ng kanilang mga concerns ay makakaabot po ito para po matugunan na mas mabilis kung ano yung mga lugar na dapat pa na magkaroon ng mga gasoline stations na may magbibigay ng fuel subsidy ay dapat po na matugunan kaagad. At sa ganito po na 2 piso ang increase from 10 pesos to 12 pesos, ito po ay makakapagbigay na rin po ng ginhawa sa ating mga kababayan sa transport sector dahil itinaas nga natin sa 12 pesos kada litro. So 1,800 na kada linggo ang tulong ng gobyerno.
Apart from the fuel subsidy, PUV drivers will also be officially included in the DSWD Uplift Assistance Program to receive 2,000 pesos in the financial aid per family based on the mass release submitted by the department.
Based sa usapan namin ni Secretary Rex, isasama na po yung transport group dito. So masasama po sila sa next ng uplift assistance natin.
The DOTR has also allocated at least 1.5 billion pesos in budget for the Public Transport Modernization Program or PTMP for amortization assistance. This aims to provide up to 20,000 pesos monthly to transport groups that have transitioned to help them with their monthly payments. Other initiatives include waiving toll fees per provincial buses on selected expressways starting August 10, extending the terminal fee waiver at PITX until the end of the year, and free monthly terminal fees at 86 public transport terminals in malls starting August 15. Due to these agreed measures, transport groups canceled the scheduled nationwide transport strike this August 7 and postponed it until next week.
At sa tingin ko naman po, dito po sa natin nakuha, hindi na po tayo dapat mag-welcome. At sino po ang pahihirapan natin dito? Ang pahihirapan lang natin dito yung ating mananakay.
Oo, hirap na hirap na po ang aming mga driver. Ganun din po ang operator. Pero sa ginawa po nila, nakikita po namin na sinasagot nila lahat na may tutulong para sa transportasyon.
Secretary Lopez emphasized that all these projects are the result of a whole-of-government approach to directly address the issues of the country's transport sector. J.M. Thompson for The Nation.